everyone, welcome back with another video of Cybrosys. In this video, we'll explore the journal audit report that you can see inside the accounting module of Odoo. It's basically a powerful tool to audit your financial entries and ensure data integrity very easily. So let's dive in. So before that, let me explain in a simple words what you mean by journal audit. So it's an essential accounting report in Odoo that lists all your journal entries in detail. We can say including the date, journals, reference, account, partner, debit, and as well as the credit amount. So it basically helps the accountants to track individual financial transaction for a better transparency and error prevention. Okay. So without wasting any time, let's directly head over to the accounting module and see what's happening inside the journal audit report that you can see inside the accounting module of Odoo. So let's head over the accounting module. And there you can see the reporting side. Under the reporting, there we have the audit report, and there you can see the journal audit. So let's click on there. And once you open there, you will get like this type of a dashboard. There you can see different kind of details, which you can see the customer invoice, vendor bills, bank, miscellaneous operations, cash phone shop, cash bakery, point of sale, and everything. And there we have the global tax summary as well as, and there you can see the codes, debit, credit, and as well as the balance also. So this is basically you can simply configure any details like if you want to filter anything, you can use this option which you can specify the rate and date range or anything. And you can also filter by the journals or post entries very easily. And once you have apply or if you get what is your concern, you can simply apply that and you will get the dashboard as per your concern here. Okay. And you can simply use this report to review your entries like in a line by line basis. You can look for any unusual entries, missing partners, or incorrect debit credit amount, or any wrong account assignments. Okay, so this is basically helps to ensure your books are accurate and prevent mistake before financial statement generation. Okay, so you can simply export this particular report into a PDF or XLS format. So if you want that, you can simply click on the PDF format and it will be exporting. You will get a PDF format. So let it load. So the download start. To see it, you can simply press hold or you can escape and you will see the PDF format. So it's simply exported, or you can simply export this into a XLS format as well as. Okay. So that's all about this particular thing and why this is important. Let me talk about why this is important. Because performing regular journal audits is a crucial maintain financial accuracy, right? So it's basically prevent the fraud and keep your business compliant with accounting standard as well as. So that's what you mean by the journal audit and how it's important why we creating any accounting and how important to an accountant were the journal audits. Okay. So that's all about this video and that's all for today. And I hope you all understand this video. And one more thing before wind upping this, you can simply click on this arrow and you will get the expanded version here and you will get the explanation about this. Under the customer invoice, what are the things that you can see like account receivables, tax receivables, product and as well as everything. And there you can see the audit thing like which base amount and the taxed amount and due as well as here. So you can see each and every detail from the journal audit. You can simply audit the journals using this report. Okay. So that's all about this video. So if you like this video, please do subscribe, share with your friends and have a nice day. I'll be back with another video. Till that, bye-bye.